Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to lock your personal vault on your OneDrive account in Windows 11. By the end of this video, you'll know two quick and reliable ways to secure your most sensitive files, so you'll never have to worry about prying eyes if you step away from your computer or share your device. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the manual lock method, which uses File Explorer. The reason this method is handy is that File Explorer is probably where you already organize your files and folders, so locking your vault fits right into your everyday workflow. To start, open your OneDrive folder. If you're not sure where that is, look for the blue cloud icon on the left panel of File Explorer and click it. That's your OneDrive. Now inside that folder, you'll see an icon that looks like a little safe. This is your personal vault. The safe imagery is no accident. Just like you use a real safe to store passports or important papers, your personal vault is designed for digital valuables like tax documents or sensitive photos. When you spot that safe icon, right-click on it. This will bring up a menu of options. From here, find and select Lock Personal Vault. When you do this, Windows will immediately begin securing your vault, making all the files inside it inaccessible until you unlock it again with your authentication method, like your fingerprint, face, PIN, or whatever you've set up. This step is so important because even if someone gains access to your device, they won't be able to open the vault without your credentials. If you have to leave your computer in a shared space or you're feeling extra cautious, I recommend making it a habit to lock your personal vault whenever you're done accessing sensitive files. That peace of mind is worth the extra click. Now let's look at the taskbar method, which might be even faster depending on your habits. Take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. That's your system tray, where you'll find the OneDrive cloud icon. It's usually white or blue, but if you can't see it, you might need to click the little upward arrow to reveal hidden icons. Go ahead and click on the OneDrive icon. A small menu will appear showing your recent activity and folders. From here, look for the personal vault icon, a little safe, just like before, and click it. You'll then see an option to lock. Click that and your personal vault will snap shut just as securely as with the manual method. Both of these approaches achieve the same result. Your important files are safely locked away until you need them again. Sometimes the system might take a few moments to fully lock the vault, especially if you just accessed it, so don't panic if you see a spinning icon for a second or two. Also, don't worry if you accidentally close the window without locking the vault. OneDrive will automatically lock Personal Vault after a period of inactivity, but it's always best to lock it manually if you want immediate security. And that's really all there is to it. Locking your personal vault is quick, easy, and a great way to strengthen your privacy on OneDrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want tips on other OneDrive features. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.